Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for something that I don't use every day, but always have ready to go for that one emergency we all have. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Poweroak EB240 power station over from the guys at Bluetti. You can check out their website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. To start things off, I'd like to tell you guys now, if you don't have a power station yet, get one. It's honestly a necessity in this day and age. The Poweroak EB240 from Bluetti has a huge capacity and load. It has a 2400 watt hour capacity with a 1000 watts load. With its batteries being built in, it uses the top brand LG battery cells, so you can guarantee it's reliable and safe. It is an all-in-one power station, so it has various outputs. It has two AC outputs for most household appliances under 1000 watts. It has one DC output for car powered devices and one PD Type-C with a max 45 watts for the USB charging devices. It charges through either AC or solar powers, and it takes about 15 hours to fully charge by AC wall outlets, and if you're charging through a solar panel, the charge time varies on the solar panel itself. The higher the power of the panel, shorter the charge time. It also uses an MPPT high-efficient solar charging system, so rest assured it's really good. It also has a battery managed system that uses multi-protection to stop it from over-discharging or overcharging, which can shorten the lifespan or even damage the battery itself. Let me be perfectly honest though. Compared to other power stations I've tried, this beast is quite heavy, weighing at just about 48.5 pounds. The power station is full of features. Some are not on the surface though, and it is very reliable and performs flawlessly. I did some initial testing and some intense adventuring all over my town, and it met my expectations plus lots more. After the first full charge, I started with a DC powered refrigerator over at my parents' place. It ran for 3 days straight before the power station shut down on over discharge protection. After which an overnight recharge was in place, and then I plugged it into a 55-inch LED TV, a video streaming device, a fully sized surround sound system with a receiver all at once at my friend's place. I ran this system for 4 hours while we watched the movie and stuff, and it used about 20% before I shut it down. With 80% of the power left in the battery, I then went to my neighbor's house and kinda used this new full-sized AC refrigerator that is highly energy efficient, so it pulls around 330 watts and ran like a charm. It lasted the rest of the day and overnight. It was still running in the morning before I unplugged it. It was down to 20% or less and was ready to be shut down. What an adventure we had. One of the hidden features in this power station is that it can be used all over the world. You can change the AC inverter frequency between 50 and 60 Hz. The charger can be plugged into a 100 or 240 AC outlet as well. I honestly don't know who would need that, but if you do, it's available and it's impressive. So if you're living in an area where you have currently constant power interruptions, or you just want to go off the grid and take a road trip in your RV, or even if you don't fit under those extreme categories, just having the peace of mind that you're ready to face whatever emergency comes your way, this beast from Bluetti has got you covered. The 2400 watt hour capacity is really great to have. It gives this power station long run times for even large appliances. Just a warning though, do not power devices or appliances over 1000 watts. So in an emergency, I 100% know that I can rely on lots of juice for a multitude of devices from USB, USB to DC, and even AC powered appliances. I am continuing my testing though to get fantastic value for it long time. The high quality battery cells ensure that I have lots of recharging cycles, and it is rated at 2500 plus cycles, so 100% you will guarantee that it will last you quite some time. Overall, it's efficient, rigid, it charges through solar panels or AC, it's portable, even if it is quite heavy, and the best part of it is that the customer support from Bluetti is unmatched. So I 100% cannot stress this enough, guys. If you don't have a power station yet, go grab yourself this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Bluetti's website down in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!